everybody. So as you know, I've really been promoting my app pretty hard. And I kept asking myself, what do I have to do to get my app in front of more people? I could tell them it's the best house hunting app on the market. I could tell them it doesn't matter if you're looking to buy a house. It doesn't matter if you're looking to rent a house. It doesn't matter if you're looking anywhere across the entire USA. Pretty much you can find what you're looking for on my new house hunting app. Then it dawned on me, well, maybe a lot of people are scared because I'm trying to tell them they can win $50,000 and they think there's something to it. So here's the real deal. The house hunting app is great. It works all across the U.S. and as a promotion, one lucky person that downloads the app between now and March 31st, 2014 will win $50,000. So it might as well be you, and in the process of taking advantage of the opportunity to win $50,000, you might as well look at some great houses available to you out there. I'm not going to put everything on here. I'll just put a link, but I want you to know it's the best app going. Good luck.